I'd say most silver stackers completely ignore Canadian junk silver. And honestly, I used to be one of them. But after looking at the numbers, the silver content, and the premiums, I think this might be one of the most underrated stacking options out there right now. So, this is the real question. Should you be stacking Canadian junk silver? Now, what is Canadian junk silver? Let's break it down real quick. Canadian junk silver is basically old Canadian coins that contain real silver. As I understand it, you're mainly looking at pre-1967 coins. These are 80% silver, the pre-1967. Now the 1967 coins, some are 80% silver and some are 50%. And finally, the 1968 and later, they're just not silver at all. As far as I know anyways. Tell me if I'm wrong. So the sweet spot in stacking is the 80% Canadian silver coins. This includes dimes, quarters, and half dollars. Kind of like 90% US junk silver, but with slightly less purity. Now here's the silver content comparison. This is where things get a little interesting. US junk silver, or constitutional silver, most of us know that equals 90% silver content. On the other hand, the Canadian junk silver, this is what you want, the 80% silver content. So naturally, people think, well, 90% it has higher silver content, so why bother with the Canadian? But here's the key. You usually get Canadian silver for lower premiums. So even though it has slightly less silver content, you're often paying less per troy ounce. And as a stacker, that's what really matters. Now here's the real advantage. This is exactly why I think Canadian junk silver is underrated. Most stackers chase the American Silver Eagles and things of that nature. The 3.9's fine, the 4.9's fine, the 90% US junk silver, and so on. But because Canadian silver is less popular, it's often overlooked. It's sometimes cheaper, and it still stacks the same way as other silver does. I've said it once before, and I'll say it again. At the end of the day, silver is silver. When the spot price moves, this moves too. It's silver. And if you can get more ounces for your money, that's a win in my book. Now look, there are downsides too. Let's be honest. Canadian silver isn't perfect. Here's some cons. It's less recognizable in the US. Some buyers prefer 90% silver over the Canadian. That's the 90% US silver over the Canadian. Some prefer that. And here's the other thing. Slightly lower silver content. I already said it. You're dealing with 80% silver versus the 90% silver. You need to know what you're buying. Keep this in mind. And here's another thing. Sorting can be annoying. What do I mean by sorting? Well, with the US junk silver, it's easy to remember pre-1965 is 90% silver. Simple. However, with the Canadian, the 1967 coins, it's mixed content. Some of the 1967s have 80% silver and some have 50. That's a pain in the butt to figure out what you got. So yeah, it's not as simple as grabbing a tube of Eagles. There's some work involved here just to know what you're getting. That is, getting with the Canadian stuff and making sure you're getting the 80% number one. Unless, of course, you want the 50%. Here's my strategy. Here's how I personally look at it. I'm not replacing my stack with all Canadian silver. I use it as a supplement. If I can find it close to spot or even cheaper than 90% US and I'm feeling it, I'll buy it all day. Because much of the time, my goal is simple: stack as many ounces as possible. Not only chase what's popular, but here, you guys might know me a little bit now. I will veer off the path a little bit. I got stacking ADD. I like a variety. Now, so remember my original question: should you stack Canadian silver? Here's my answer: yes, if the price is right. And for me, it's generally not my first choice, but it's definitely not something I ignore. And honestly, the more I stack, the more I realize the stackers who win are the ones who stay flexible. So let me know in the comments, are you stacking Canadian silver? Or will you stack Canadian silver? Or do you strictly stick to US coins? There's no wrong answer here. And once again, a massive thank you guys for watching. And I hope you had a great Easter. I know it was a few weeks ago, and I've been gone for a few weeks. And please like and subscribe. Remember, stack smart, stack silver. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. You know the drill. See you on the flip side.